make sure y'all hit that like and that subscribe. And don't waste my time or your time. Cause if you're here for a reason. Just know that you here for a reason. Make sure y'all follow, man. Follow for the content. I won't disappoint, man. I'm gonna take y'all on a whole little ride around this thing.
I'm just ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down, she know I like it better when the top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now, no surprise, I know why I'm getting money, yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. The designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750. We talk Pacifics, that rose gold compliment. Welcome back to the channel. Give y'all a little update on the progress on everything we got going on in the garden, the James Garden Center. My last name James. So today I done went up. Only took 20 minutes. I done plowed up, tilled up all this dirt over here. Got enough to make 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 more rows. I can make about 5 more rows out of this. So I'm basically almost doubling the size of my garden. I gotta rake all this dirt in. Look at this here, nice and good too. A lot of dirt. So I'm gonna end up putting that in some more rows. I want to throw some more cabbages down. I want to throw some more okra down, because I got okra. You can see the okra start to bloom. You can see on that first row they going crazy. Then cucumbers, they trying to grow up. I gotta change my setup for the cucumbers. Tomatoes looking amazing. Check this out, man. Look, these tomatoes are coming through. You see them? Do you see them? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like 5 on that one, 4 on that one, 4 on this one, 4 or 5 on that one. So tomatoes are coming through. We got peppers. Peppers starting to sprout out. Man, look, I was looking at the peppers yesterday. Look, where are you at? Hard to see them now. So we got one right there. I think we had 2 on this one. I don't want to interrupt them too much. Look, we got one right here. Pepper right there. They got another one somewhere. Yeah, right there. The second one right there. Look at that one getting kind of big. Look, we got jalapeno coming through. Jalapeno. Okay, we got pepper right here. Most of them sprouting like 2 peppers. We got another jalapeno coming through right here. Look another one. Look, another one starting right here. Oh yeah, they coming, man. Go ahead, look. Another one. Peppers coming through. Okra growing fast as hell too. They coming up, man. They gonna be sprouting okra in like another week and a half, 2 weeks. Okra gonna start coming up. This whole row okra right here. Look like we got a couple of them not coming up. I gotta replant. We got 4 or 5 holes out of these 12 with nothing coming up on them. Onions planted here. It's not gonna look like much for these 2 rows. Onions gonna be coming up out of there. It's gonna take a little while for them to come up out of there. And I actually kind of just had a bunch of okra left over. I literally threw them in a row about right here, going down the whole back when it was wet outside. So I'm not gonna cut the grass here till I start seeing them sprout. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna be surprised when I see these things come out. I'm looking for them. I just planted them a week ago. It take about 2 weeks for them to start coming up. So I'm waiting any day to see these things start popping out the ground. But anyway, literally, man, I'm telling you right now, like it's like a row almost to the end of my shop straight down like that. I just stuck my finger in the ground, dropped them, buried them, covered them up. So anyway, I'm gonna get this plowed up, you know, manual plowing, you know, manual labor. Get that plowed up, and I want to drop some cabbages in here, maybe another row of okra, maybe 2 rows of okra, I'm not sure, and a couple other things. All right, so yesterday I went ahead and I got so these are my Italian cypress trees. These gonna be like for my landscaping. You know, I'm nursing these babies up from youth, you know what I'm saying? So I'm getting these things, I just put them in the bigger pots, so they looking good. Well, I ended up planting 6 more yesterday, so I got these sitting right here. I want them to do well and start sprouting, and I'm gonna grow them up too and just have them coming in the meantime. Cause Italian cypress is high. I don't know if y'all know, but they high as hell. Also, I got 4 watermelons right here. They're gonna be coming up. I'm gonna get the watermelons rolling, and they're gonna do good, and I'm gonna throw them in the ground. Now, with the watermelon, man, this plant has been through so much, man. When I say so much, I mean so much. This plant almost died. It was on life support, man. ICU. Look at this thing. It's shaking back now. We had to prune out the leaves because it basically dropped almost all the leaves it had originally. All the leaves, and it kind of started all over. And now it's growing all new leaves. I'm not gonna mess with the hydroponics with the watermelons because I need to get a cooler system. I want because the watermelon needs a lot more nutrients, cooler temperatures, a lower pH balance. It just wasn't balanced right for the system that everything else kind of trying to thrive in. But on a positive note, that one watermelon that had on it, it died. But as a matter of fact, look, it's it right here. See, that's the watermelon that was coming out. It died. It's just black. But check this out. New watermelon right there. Boom. New watermelon right here. Look, hold on. We're not done. 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 Boom. New watermelon right there. Boom. Hold up. We're not done. We're not done. New watermelon right there. 3 watermelons. And then it's the 4th leg right here. And I'm expecting to see another one come out of this one any day. Any day, I expect to see a 4th watermelon start coming off on this one right here. I know it's coming because it's looking real healthy. It's basically growing a watermelon off each branch. Look, probably this one too. So we got 3 watermelons on this plant, man. So it's like I say, man, it may not look like it, but it's going crazy too. All right, we got the cucumber. I gotta get this thing in the ground. Look, it's dry as hell. I need some moisture. I need to water these plants. Onion coming up. I don't know what this is. Look at something my kids planted. Greens. See, now I gotta figure out what pesticides I use. I tried something natural. That junk did not work. These worms, see if I can show them to y'all, because I sprayed it yesterday. What the heck? Oh, did it work? Nah, it didn't work. See, these worms are multiplying, man. These little green little worms they tearing this cabbage up. So I'm about to upgrade to another pesticide, man. I tried to use something healthy with all these oils and mint oils and all that junk. I freaking triple concentrated the amount because the first concentration, the normal ratio, didn't work. Sprayed again, didn't work. These worms is going in on the plants. You see what they did to the first one? They tore these up. This is pretty much gone. That's because kind of I was doing my trial and error with this plant with the herbicides, and they're not working. It's like my trial and error plant, and now the worms have made their way over here. So, man, I might have to just go ahead and get some real herbicide, which I'm trying not to do, and just really knock this junk out, man. So at least I can still control how much I put on there. Unlike anything you do in a supermarket, you just gotta get whatever they put in there. I really want to go completely healthy, but it don't seem like nothing working right now. And I'm on a time crunch because we're trying to keep these alive before they turn to some skeleton looking plants like those test plants down there. All right, hydroponics. Battling a couple issues with the hydroponics. They say it could be discouraging when you're starting out. Of course, we got stuff coming up. I'm gonna tell you one thing. Kale is resilient. Kale is resilient. Kale is the most resilient plant in this system. I'm telling you right now. The kale wants to grow no matter what happens. So my pH system, my pH level, it's just rising. We're using lemon juice, real lemon juice, to kind of keep the pH down, because my system is like at an 8.2 alkaline, and it needs to be like 6 to 6.5, between 5.5 to 6.5, really. And it's the pH just keep rising. It's like I keep trying to add acids, and I come back. My nutrient level is fine, but my pH is too rich. So that's one of the issues I'm battling with. Also, I got my temperatures down on my reservoir. One thing I did was I freaking filled this entire reservoir, because it was basically operating with just a little water in there, because I couldn't control my outflow valve, which I increased the size of. You see that? And now it's draining off at a higher rate, so I can pump in at a higher rate, circulating good. And it's a big reservoir, so it cools off fast, kind of like a radiator system going on now. So my temperature's a lot cooler. Yeah, that feels nice and cool. That water is not hot anymore. So that's good. Temperature's been conquered. And I put some wild onion from out the back. I'll be going back there, pick my wild onion. I put some wild onion in that little clear container, and I'm gonna watch it come up, because it was just some wild onion seeds we had left over from when I went and got some to make some food like a couple of days ago. As a matter of fact, we're gonna go back there, not this video, and I'm gonna pick some green onions so y'all can see. It's so much back there. Like literally, I just go back there and I might bag up 2 or 3 gallons of cut up green onion. Like I just go pick like big buckets of it and come back, so wash it out, cut it up, bag it up, throw it in the deep freezer, and it'll last most of the whole season, man. So anyway, that's the update on everything that's going on. Garden extended, hydroponic system balancing going on still. We got some plants coming out. Like I said, man, this kale is resilient as hell. I gotta plug up, I gotta drop some more pellets in to fill up all these extra gaps, to kind of slow my algae in, because my algae starting to build up, you see, and the pots I'm not using. Algae growth comes in when you don't cover it up and direct sunlight hits the water. But again, I think that's pretty much where we at with the update. And yeah, that's one more thing. One more of these blue barrels back there. I'm gonna get that blue barrel and I'm gonna saw it in half. Cut it clean down the side, down the half, open it up, and I'm gonna plant some potatoes using that. So that might be the next video. So let me get back in here out this sun, because it is hot as hell out here, and I'm about to do the mud riding video, because I'm about to take my 4-wheeler to Tower Trucks and we about to ride. Look, make sure y'all stay tuned in, man. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all share the videos. And look, man, stop ghost watching, man. Make sure y'all sub to the channel if y'all keep coming back. So, like I say all the time, man, deuces. Click that button. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Just click it. Click it right now. Yeah.